Hi, so if you're watching this video, you're probably wondering where in the world I am. So we are currently in Jordan, and now this is not important. The main point of this video is to show you what you can achieve if you know how to properly set up your affiliate marketing business. Now, the first thing that most people get wrong is picking up the niche. You see, if you are here in a desert, like you see right now, right? What is the number one thing people need is the water, right? So if you offer someone a water here, of course they're going to take it because the demand is really huge but supply is really low. So same goes for affiliate marketing. When you're picking up the niche, you have to pick the niche where people are already willingly spending money every single day. So picking up niche is really important. And another thing is having the right website, having the right copy with the right ad setup, and the whole process that is monetized correctly. So if you're watching this video and if you want to know exactly how to put it up together, then please, below this video are going to be links where we can connect personally, one-on-one, me and you, and work together. So below this video are going to be links where we can connect. Just click on those links, connect with me. If you have any questions, just reach out. Again, thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel.